You will love this yellow 4-door 2009 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited X. This vehicle is powered by a gas V6 3.8L/231 engine with an 4WD. We priced this Jeep Wrangler Unlimited to sell quickly. You will find that his vehicle is loaded with options like 16x 7.0 Lux-styled steel wheels, P225/75R16 on off-road BSW tires, a full-size spare tire, a matching spare wheel, an outside tire carrier, an easy folding soft top, a Sunrider soft top feature, a black front bumper, accent color fender flares and a black front frame overlay. What are you waiting for? Come in for a test drive today. With a 6-cylinder engine, you'll have a rollicking good time when you fire up the engine. Feel the power. Deals like this are far and few. Act now and call us today.